Hi, today I'm doing this unboxing video for this Yikong YK-4101 110 scale trawler. If I'm not wrong, this Yikong YK-4101 has come with two versions. One is called Pro and one is the standard version, and this is the Pro version. The Pro versions come with a extra of 2-speed transmissions and also the front and rear diff lock, and the standard versions doesn't have the 2-speed transmissions and the front and rear diff lock. And this truck they have a lot of discussion on this truck with the comparison with the Traxxas TRX-4, but I'm not going to do any like a comparison because I don't have the TRX-4. This because of the 3 features that it has, so that leads to people believe there's a copy or clone version of the TRX-4. First is the pointer axis, front and rear pointer axis. Second is the 2-speed transmissions, and third is the front and rear diff lock. And it's cheaper than the TRX-4. I would say it's pretty close to the TRX-4 Sport price that I can get locally. And this is the box. Okay, on the box you can see that it's ready to run. Comes complete with the electric items like the ESC, motor, servo, everything. It's a 4-wheel drive vehicles, and also comes with a 2.4 GHz transmitters, and also the servo is a MG servo. I believe it's a metal servo. And look at the side of the box. Okay, there's a lot of pictures. Okay, this is very big box and heavy. Okay, the first picture is the front and rear differential lock structures, and the second picture is the unique spring side design shock absorber. I believe they are trying to say it's internal springs. The third one is a differential lock servo, one for front and one for rear. And next picture is aluminum part. Okay, you can see there's all the metal rod and the motor mount and the shock absorber cover, also aluminums, and the drive shaft as well. And then the next one is a body frame. Is a CNC 5mm 6061 aluminum frame. It's a CNC, not those normal C-channel metal frame. Then moving on to the second row is metal gears, then the CNC aluminum adjustable motor mount, rear differential lock function. Okay, and the lock function actually is for front and rear. This is the picture that's showing the rear. And high low range transmission, this is a 2-speed transmissions. Okay, and then the next one is the metal universal shaft, and the last is the metal axis, all metal part. Then the high passability chassis, I think it means the pointer axis, and the unique steering shock absorber design. This is quite interesting. The steering link is a absorber design. And the last one, not the last one, the next one is the 6-channel radio system. This is basically the WRC transmitter, and the servo is a 9 kg metal gear servo. And the last You can see it's really heavy. The bottom look of the chassis. Total length is 542 millimeters. The width is 249 millimeters, and the wheelbase is 350 millimeters. And quarter axis, the clearance is 53 millimeters. Okay, then look at the other side of the box. It comes with three color. The white color, this yellow color, and the gray color. Okay, so over here you can see they have this called it the Pro version characteristic. Whole new unique design, front and rear differential lock structure, unique high and low speed conversion design, and overland protection equipment. Rotary body shell and battery cover installing mode. I don't know what it's trying to say. Easily to open, and 6-channel radio system. Hobbywing crawler ESC. I believe this is a 60M. The WP1060 ESC. A crawler 550 cam motors, and blah blah blah, lots like what I have mentioned. The CNC 5mm 60-61 aluminum frames. Okay, I forgot this one. CNC aluminum adjustable motor mount. The metal pinion gear, 9 kg metal gear servo, and 0.9 kg servo. 3 units, okay, for the 2-speed transmitter, and the 2-speed transmission gearbox, and the front and rear diff lock, and ball bearing for the whole car, and the metal universal shaft, and rear dog bone, the center aluminum shaft, unique metal inside, design shock absorber with the dust proof design. Okay, this is what it meant. The cover and the unique steering shock absorber design, and the 1.2mm PC, the polycarbonate body shell. And the standard versions, there is no front and rear differential lock, and use the normal shaft connections. And this is the same as the Pro versions, and this is also the same as the Pro versions. And it's only using a 3-channel radio because it already do away with the 2-speed transmission gearbox and the front and rear differential lock. So I don't know, here they still put the front differential lock, okay, but here they put no front and rear differential lock. So I believe there is no front and rear differential lock and the 2-speed transmission gearbox. And the ESC motor are all the same. And over here they have this 9 kg metal gear servo and 0.9 kg servo. I'm not sure this is for what purpose. Okay, it could be for the front differential lock, but over here they say no front differential lock, or maybe for the 2-speed transmission gearbox. I'm not sure, but I believe most people will just go for the Pro versions because the price difference are not so much. Okay, so let's move on to open the box. Okay, let's turn the box. Okay, this is the box. Okay, open up the box. Okay, I have to ask my son to help me. Okay, this is a free gift from the seller. I bought it from Taobao. Because of shipping, he wanted to give me the battery and the charger, but I say because of shipping regulations, so he replaced the LED and small gasoline tanks for me. Anyway, better than nothing. And then the first box over here, small box, is the wheel. The wheels, the rubber looks quite soft, but the foam inside I think is not so soft. Okay. Excuse me. Then next box, I believe also the wheels. Okay, this one, the seller already opened the plastic bag. They show me. Okay, just for a better closer look, the rim is plastic. Okay, it's plastic, and rubber looks okay. Not sure how it performs. We'll have to try and see. Okay, and moving on to the bigger box here. Okay, it's the transmitter that I say is actually very similar to the, I would say it's exactly same as the WRC 5-channel transmitter, but the only difference is they have split these two become a 5th channel and 6th channel. Okay. Okay. You can't really feel the middle positions for this switch. Okay, but I would say the WRC transmitter is very good value for money. The quality, performance, everything is good. Okay, I have another videos, 2 videos for this transmitter. And now let's look at the truck body. Okay, this is the truck. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, this truck, and underneath there is a instructions manual and extra metal link here. Okay, this truck, okay, I should do it like this. Okay, show you a closer look. It's a Land Cruiser body, Land Cruiser LC70 pickup body. I doubt they have the license. Okay, the light here is just a sticker, but I think they have the hole for you to install the LED light. And this is the, okay, see something quite interesting over here. There is this fuel cap, diesel fuel cap, and over here there is another diesel fuel cap. Okay, then look at the front. Okay, they have replaced the logo, the Toyota logo, with the Yikong logo. Okay, this is also the stickers, and over here luckily they don't have any fuel cap anymore. Okay, Land Cruiser signal, also stickers, and they don't have a wiper, I believe, but they do have a side mirror. Okay, and over here, so look at it. Okay, so this truck body shell is pivot to the, it's a pivot. Okay, it's not like the normal RC truck using the pin. And is using this magnet to hold the shaft. And okay, at the front, we start from the front. Here is the ESC. It's a Hobbywing WP1060 ESC. Then the next one is the 550 cant brass motor, and they have this waterproof receiver box, the gear servo, and the front and rear diff lock servo, and this is a 2-speed transmission gearbox, and the battery compartment. And the truck is very solid, okay, the body, see, and the shock absorber is fully covered, dust proof, okay. Then look at buttons. Okay, this is the Porter X, okay, and the steering absorber is, okay, and this is plastic. I think it's a nylon plastic, okay. And then the bottom here, all are metal. This is plastic as well, plastic, and this is metal. And you can see the CNC frame, metal frame. And the one interesting part that I would like to highlight is the front and rear axles are actually the same. You can easily convert this axis or this truck into 4-wheel steering, and because of this, you're just using these 2 short rod to lock the steering. And also you see over here there's extra bar to hold the body, okay. This is what we usually see is 3 + 1 or 4 over here. This is 4 + 1 over here, okay. So basically it's a very nice truck, but how is the quality performance, we yet to know. And I will see if I will do a video for the test run. And thank you for watching.